Hey there, food lovers. Picture this. A stunning seasonal fruit tart, with a glossy sheen of fresh berries glistening on a perfectly flaky crust. It's the dessert that'll make your mouth water, and your kitchen smell like pure heaven. This beauty is not just impressive, it's incredibly easy to make at home, and trust me, one bite will have you hooked for life. Today, we are diving into the best seasonal fruit tart recipe that's quick, easy, and guaranteed to impress anyone at your table with its fresh flavors and elegant presentation. This tart is special because it highlights the juiciest berries of the season, paired with a creamy filling and a buttery crust that's both comforting and sophisticated. Why not make it yourself? It's perfect for busy families looking for a delightful dessert that comes together in under an hour. Now, let's get to the ingredients. For the crust, you'll need 1½ cups all-purpose flour, half a cup unsalted butter, cold, cubed, a quarter cup granulated sugar, 1 large egg yolk, and 2 tablespoons ice water. For the filling, 1½ cups whole milk, half a cup granulated sugar, 3 large egg yolks, a quarter cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. And for the topping, 2 cups mixed fresh berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, plus a quarter cup apricot jam, and 1 tablespoon water for glazing. Let's start with the prep work to get everything ready for this mouth-watering tart. First, in a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour and a quarter cup granulated sugar, then cut in half a cup of cold, cubed unsalted butter using a pastry cutter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with a sandy texture that feels cool and buttery under your fingers. Add in 1 large egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of ice water, mixing gently until the dough comes together into a smooth ball. Don't overwork it, or it'll lose that flaky magic. While that's chilling in the fridge for 15 minutes, prepare the filling by whisking 3 large egg yolks with half a cup granulated sugar in a separate bowl until it's pale and creamy, then stir in a quarter cup cornstarch for thickness. In another pot, heat 1½ cups whole milk over medium heat until it's just steaming with a warm, milky aroma filling the air, and gradually pour it into your egg mixture while stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Wash and pat dry 2 cups of mixed fresh berries, feeling their plump, juicy texture, as you set them aside for the final assembly. Now, for the first cooking phase, roll out your chilled dough on a floured surface to about 1/8 inch thick, then carefully press it into a 9-inch tart pan and prick the bottom with a fork to prevent bubbling. Blind bake the crust in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, until it's just starting to turn a golden brown and you hear a subtle crackling sound as it sets. While that's baking, cook the filling on the stove, pour the egg milk mixture back into the pot and heat over medium, stirring constantly for about 5 minutes until it thickens to a pudding-like consistency that coats the back of your spoon smoothly and gives off a sweet, vanilla-scented steam. Remove it from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons unsalted butter until melted and fully incorporated, creating a rich, creamy filling with a glossy shine. Keep an eye on the crust. If the edges start browning too quickly, cover them with foil to ensure even cooking without burning. Moving on to the second phase, let the baked crust cool for 10 minutes while you build those incredible layers of flavor. Pour the warm filling into the crust, spreading it evenly with a spatula for a smooth, velvety base that sets as it cools. Here's a pro tip. For a variation, add a hint of lemon zest to the filling for a zesty twist that brightens the berries. Now, arrange your 2 cups of mixed fresh berries on top in a beautiful pattern, pressing them gently into the filling so their juices start to mingle and create that glossy, vibrant look. Pop the tart back into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for another 10 to 15 minutes. Just until the berries soften slightly and the filling sets firmly without overbaking. Listen for a gentle bubbling and watch for the edges to crisp up perfectly. While that's finishing, heat a quarter cup apricot jam with 1 tablespoon water in a small saucepan over low heat, stirring until it melts into a shiny glaze that you'll brush over the top for that professional sheen. For the final touches, carefully remove the tart from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack, about 30 minutes, so the filling firms up and the crust stays delightfully flaky. Brush on that warm apricot glaze over the berries, watching it create a shimmering coat that locks in freshness and adds a subtle sweetness. Plate your tart on a decorative stand, garnishing with a few extra berries or a sprinkle of powdered sugar for an extra pop of color and elegance. The final result is a tart with a golden, crisp crust that crumbles just right, a creamy filling that's silky smooth, and juicy berries that burst with natural sweetness, and a fresh, fruity aroma that'll make your kitchen irresistible. Now, slice it up and admire how the layers come together in perfect harmony. Taking that first bite of this seasonal fruit tart is pure bliss. The flaky crust offers a buttery crunch that contrasts beautifully with the smooth, creamy filling, while the juicy berries explode with tangy sweetness in every mouthful. The flavors layer up with the vanilla undertones from the filling enhancing the fresh, vibrant notes of the seasonal fruits, making it a special treat that's both comforting and refreshing. 4 sides, paired with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or a light whipped cream to balance the tartness. If you're storing leftovers, keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days, but it's best enjoyed fresh to maintain that perfect texture. Variations could include swapping berries for other seasonal fruits like peaches, or kiwis for a fun twist all year round. I can't wait for you to try this amazing seasonal fruit tart. Head to your kitchen, grab those fresh berries, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes every day, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video on a quick summer salad that'll blow your mind.